A great way to make meals fun is to make fast food favorites at home. Today I'm making my version of the Taco Bell Crunchwrap, and my family likes it better than the original. Hi, I'm Deb, and if you're new here, this really is my kitchen. Here we cover recipes that anyone can do, plus cooking skills and tips on making your dinner table the family center of your home. Now, if that sounds good to you, please consider subscribing. Are you ready? Because the kitchen is now open. Come on in. Let's cook up something good. For my version of this fast food favorite, the ingredients I'll be using are room temperature extra large flour tortillas, salsa con queso or nacho cheese, pre-made tostada shells, refried beans, sour cream, famous taco meat, shredded iceberg lettuce, finely diced tomatoes, chopped cilantro, and finally olive oil for grilling. The first step is to cook your taco meat and heat up your refried beans. Now, to save time, I cooked my taco meat last week and saved some in the freezer. So now all I have to do is heat it up along with my homemade refried beans, which I always have on hand, and chop up my veggies. And then I'm ready to start putting these babies together. But first, I have my family give me their orders like in a restaurant, and they love it. They get to choose from my list of ingredients what they want to put on their wrap. I start with a room temperature flour tortilla. If you need to, you can put it in the microwave for a few seconds just to make sure it's soft. Spread 1 to 2 tablespoons of salsa con queso in the center of your flour tortilla, about the size of your tostada shell. Next, spread the shell with refried beans and stack on top of the queso. Then add a layer of sour cream, followed by taco meat, lettuce, tomatoes, and cilantro. Now I'm going to preheat my griddle over medium-high heat and spread it with some olive oil as it's warming up. While that's heating up, it's time to fold my wrap. To fold your wrap, take the outside edge of the flour tortilla and fold it over your toppings to the center. Working clockwise, grab the outside edge at the fold and bring to the center, continuing all the way around. If you need to, you can tuck the last fold under the first. Now you're ready to grill. Now we're going to grill and seal the wrap. So I'm going to put it on carefully, folded side down. And maybe move it around a little bit just to make sure I've got that olive oil coating it. And this is going to maybe take a minute or so. I'm going to keep my eye on it. I'm not going to walk away. I use my nose because it should smell good. If it starts to smell like it's burning, you've gone too far. And I'm going to, like I said, give it about a minute, and I'm going to check it to make sure it's crispy and golden. Now as I flip it over, you can see it's nice and crunchy on this side. And then I spun it around the pan a little bit again to make sure that the bottom side is also coated with that olive oil. And we're just going to crisp up the bottom side just like we did on the top. I found as I do several of these for my family, the griddle gets warmer and warmer, so they will start to go faster. So keep an eye on them. See underneath how it's getting nice and crispy. This is just about ready to come off the flame. Just give it a couple more seconds to crisp up a little more, and then it's going to be ready to serve. And there we are. This homemade version of the Crunchwrap is so good, it'll be hard to settle for anything else. They taste great, they're crunchy, and they're fun, especially when everyone can design their own. Your family will love it. And that's important because family is built at the dinner table, and if you feed them these, they will come.